guys, today we got our 6th CrunchLab box.
Okay, the boys have a subscription to Mark Rober's CrunchLab Build Boxes. This is number 6. Wyatt's gonna put it together and we're gonna see what it does.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it this month?
It is a storage light. I have no idea.
Strobe light animator.
Yes.
That sounds really cool. Hey Sawyer,
Hi.
you gonna help?
Yeah.
What is that?
I know what that is. Yeah, rainbow. Oh, here. Wyatt, where's the thing that goes to this? Oh. Mama, look.
All right, 6 down, 6 to go.
Look. Black one.
That is so cool.
And I actually got it to work.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, now I'm on step 14, where we get to put in this.
Oh, nice.
This again. Oh, you okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I did it! I did it! And then you just lift it up like this. Yeah!
Oh, cool.
So yeah, it's like the whole thing is gonna be done. Did. I did it!
Good job, buddy.
Here's one right here.
Cool.
What? Yeah, to this way. Yeah.
Okay, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's like the little squirrels running.
Look right in there. Isn't it a squirrel running? Yeah. Let me see. Build box number 6 complete.
Good job, guys.